love.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to another video. We've got a bunch of good news for today. I was up super early. We got up at 6 a.m. to go ski and wakeboard to get some dawn shots for Dalton. That was a rough one. But the channel has hit over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for everyone who is new. I know I had my little cameo in David's Grid Life video, which I'm always thankful for David for handing me a camera and letting me do whatever I want with it and then putting it in videos. It's always helpful. But thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for getting it over 1,000 subscribers. I am super pumped. I didn't think this was gonna happen anytime soon, but I'm glad it did. I know the goal was before Grid Life, but we did it the day after Grid Life, so that's pretty close. That works. But again, thank you guys for coming aboard, commenting, liking videos, all that. I'm working on a new sticker project for y'all, so stay tuned. I'm working with a guy to get that figured out. Hopefully we'll have something, we'll have it designed by the end of the week, and then I can send him over to Abbott and he can crank those out for us because he's awesome. But all the gold stay up stickers are gone. So everybody at Grid Life, everyone that came through, grabbed them. Love talking to you guys. Loved hearing you guys say, hey, you like the car and all that, and just getting to meet everybody. So thank you for everyone that came by, and we'll have more stickers. And then on to bigger news. Alfie's car is getting a new mod. You want to see it? This basically, this mod means he can run hill climb with me now. So you guys will have to peer pressure him into that. But here we go. There you go, kids. We have a cage. Picked it up from one of our other E36 buddies who's getting out of the E36 game to go back to his 5 Series. But you excited about your cage, Alfie?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
It's just more clout points. I'm not gonna use it for anything. It's simply for clout.
It's actually made out of cardboard tubes, guys. It's like what Lancia did back in the day for Rally. But it's nice, fully welded cage. We're gonna bolt it in, which I'm sure some will disagree, some will complain, whatever, I don't care. We bolted Calvin's cage in. His was fine. So Alfie's just scuffing this up and getting it ready for a nice coat of paint. I personally voted for yellow. Alfie doesn't give a shit what I think, but I think yellow would have been best. Drop in the comments what color you guys think. I know most of you like me, so definitely go with yellow. But we're doing some sort of gray. I think we're trying to make it Nardo gray or whatever, but we're getting there. So Alfie's just gonna keep on sanding. Are we gonna paint that mount? Just paint all that?
Yep.
All right. Alfie's gonna keep scuffing it up, and we'll shoot a little time lapse of sanding and stuff. So while Alfie has been painting solo, I went and got that. Andrew wanted to shoot some with his gimbal and get some video done, so we got the FC. But cage is looking gray and good. I'm gonna give the FC a nice post Grid Life track bath, and let's get her kind of shined up and looking better. The FC is washed, cleaned up. I swear I used a half bottle of Bug and Tar remover to get all the rubber off, but that's good. We're gonna do some roller shots later with Andrew of the M3, the FRS, my car, whatever else going on. And Alfie is still working on painting the cage. Cage is drying, painting plates, and then we'll probably install that tonight because it is hot as hell out here. It's real bad. Andrew just gave me an expensive camera setup. This is how we're gonna start vlogging. I'll just have a gimbal. Put on Alfie. Vlogception. There you go, my guy.
Thank you.
Some
Getting grass everywhere.
haggard painting going on. We're starting the 20-minute cage install in Alfie's car. So far we're 5 seconds in. Don't believe anything Alfie says. How's it going?
It's been 20 minutes.
It's been 5.
10.
No.
Yeah, this sucks.
You want me to do that?
You want to?
I was gonna pull out the passenger seat. Just. Alright, so my battery's low as always, and Dalton left with my other batteries, so I'm trying to conserve this. But seats are out, harness bar's out. Here's the harness bar. If anybody wants a Bray Kraus E36 harness bar, drop a comment. I don't know how much it's for sale for, but Alfie will let me know, and if you guys want it, we'll get you a price. So we got that. Next step, Alfie, is cage. Cage time, boys. Cage time. All right, I have ditched the shirt because it's hot. Don't judge me, but we are. Can't see shit. We're currently test fitting said cage. Overall, looks nice. Getting there. We're almost ready to drill stuff.
2 hours later.
So we've been fighting with this damn cage for a while, but it's in there. We didn't film much because I'm hungry, tired, frustrated. I don't eat. But we got a cage, kids. There you go. What's up, guys? It is a few days after the cage install, but as you guys saw in the video, I was saying my camera was dying and I only had one battery because Dalton took my other one. I'll show you guys the cage. It's almost done. We still gotta finish up a few things, but we're getting there. We gotta put the interior back and whatnot. But here it is. So a few things that we've got to finish up is I need a smaller drill. I got to mark those and drill those because the drill that we ended up having was too big. So that's got to happen. And then we have to put the interior back together, but and then wrap the harnesses up. That's it. Alfie's got a cage now, so Alfie can run hill climb with me. Here's the cleaned up FC. I feel like I should show you guys the FC in like every video or something, or at least show it to you. Don't know why, but I just like looking at this car. It's just so pretty. So a few things I did want to kind of cover, like after or post Grid Life. Grid Life was a blast. It was a super fun event. I'm going to be there next year. We're going to have more cars. We're going to bring a lot of people. And it's just overall a good time. I met a ton of great people there. I'm just excited to go back. I got to run into some new friends, some old friends, and Jared Dienda gave me his Beer Wolf sticker, which is now my new spirit animal. And then the Radwood guys had a car show going on at Grid Life, and they wanted me to come by, but we broke my car and we didn't have enough people to push it up that giant hill to get there. So I'm really sad we didn't get to go up and actually put the car on display like they wanted, but they gave me a sticker, so I'm super pumped. I'm glad all you guys love the gold stay-up stickers. They came out better than I ever expected. Abbott killed it. Definitely glad you guys liked them and took them. Remember to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the cage. Let me know how you like the FC. If you're new here, let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and I'll do my best to make that happen. Thank you guys for that. I missed some rubber, which makes me sad, but I'll clean it up later. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Again, thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what the next goal is, maybe 5,000 or 10,000, but eventually we're gonna get there, and I'm glad you guys are here for the ride, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.